If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to organize your projects visually, Miro might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll explore how you can use Miro for project management, from planning and tracking tasks to collaborating with your team effectively. 1. Why use Miro for project management? Miro isn't just a whiteboard app. It's a full workspace where you can plan projects, manage workflows, and track progress in one visual space. Unlike traditional tools that rely on lists and tables, Miro gives you a clear visual overview of your entire project. This makes it great for teams who want to brainstorm, plan, and execute ideas together, all in real time. 2. Setting up your project board. Start by creating a new board in Miro. You can either begin from scratch or use one of Miro's project management templates, like a Kanban board, timeline, or roadmap. Next, organize your workflow. You might want to create sections for to-do in progress and completed tasks. Add sticky notes or cards for each task. Include assignees, deadlines, and color codes for priority levels. This layout keeps everything visual and easy to update as the project moves forward. 3. Tracking progress. Once your board is set up, use connectors to show dependencies between tasks and make your workflow easier to follow. You can drag tasks across stages as they're completed, just like in a Kanban board. Miro also integrates with tools like Jira, Asana, and Google Sheets, which means you can sync data or link updates without switching platforms. Real-time collaboration ensures that everyone sees updates instantly, keeping the whole team aligned. 4. Team collaboration. One of Miro's biggest strengths is teamwork. You and your teammates can work on the same board at the same time, adding notes, leaving comments, or tagging others for updates. You can even hold short meetings or brainstorming sessions directly in Miro using its built-in video chat and presentation mode. This makes project check-ins or planning sessions more interactive and engaging, especially for remote teams. 5. Tips for success. Here are a few quick tips to get the most out of Miro for project management. Use color codes to show urgency or task type. Group related items with frames for easy navigation. Use comments instead of cluttering your board with sticky notes. And save time by starting with Miro's ready-made templates for project planning or timelines. Final thoughts. Miro makes project management more visual, interactive, and flexible than most traditional tools. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, product launch, or creative project, it helps you see the big picture and track every step clearly. If you want to make your project planning more collaborative and creative, Miro is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on productivity and AI tools. Which project management tool do you use right now? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.